English Hindi, have plus.
पास होना,
Laugh and learn. Welcome. Hey you, ready to master have in Hindi and have some laughs along the way? Let's dive in together. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to language superpowers. Grab more free resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll map have to Hindi's pocket-friendly pattern
के पास है,
and the base verb.
पास होना,
Keep your ears open and your pockets ready. Your learning goal today. By the end, you'll say every form of have naturally, with speed and a smile. We focus on the set have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Core map have.
पास होना,
X has.
X के पास है,
Mini dialogue, keys and chaos. Listen in and repeat aloud, yes, even the dramatic sighs. You, do we have the keys? Friend, relax, we have them.
हमारे पास है,
Single quote. You, does he have the tickets? Friend, yep.
उसके पास है,
Single quote. You, I have snacks.
मेरे पास है,
Narrator, whisper, the cat? It has the bag.
इसके पास है,
Crowd, they have the map.
उनके पास
Opening parenthesis ellipsis.
है,
Closing parenthesis dot. Forms and patterns, quick tour. Say each line after me, own the pattern, not just the words. Have.
पास होना,
I have.
मेरे पास है,
You have, sing.
तुम्हारे पास है,
He has.
उसके पास है,
She has.
उसके पास है,
It has.
इसके पास है,
We have.
हमारे पास है,
You have, plural.
तुम लोगों के पास है,
They have.
उनके पास
Opening parenthesis ellipsis.
है,
Closing parenthesis. Pro tip. Negative equals, don't have.
के पास नहीं है,
Call and response drills. You speak, then I'll confirm. Keep it snappy. I have a pen.
मेरे पास एक पेन है,
Do you have time?
क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है?
He has a car.
उसके पास एक कार है,
She has my phone.
उसके पास मेरा फोन है,
It has 2 buttons.
इसके पास 2 बटन हैं,
We have the key.
हमारे पास चाबी है,
You have, plural, the tickets.
तुम लोगों के पास है टिकट,
They have many books.
उनके पास बहुत सी किताबें हैं।
Culture tip. The legendary line. Here's a memorable hook from Bollywood you'll never forget. Think of the iconic, Mere Paas Ma Hai. That's the same structure. I have.
मेरे पास है,
Use it with anything.
मेरे पास समय है, मेरे पास चाबी है।
Your turn. Say one thing you have, out loud. Speed quiz. Answer fast, no overthinking, just flow. Ch.1. How do you say, have, the base idea, in Hindi?
पास होना,
Q2. Say, I have.
मेरे पास है,
Q3. Say, you have, singular.
तुम्हारे पास है,
Q4. Say, you have, plural, informal.
तुम लोगों के पास है.
Q5. Say, they have.
उनके पास.
Opening parenthesis ellipsis.
है.
Closing parenthesis. Challenge. Microstory. You narrate, I'll drop helpful hints. Keep it playful. Prompt. We have a plan, he has the tickets, and she has my pen. Hint 1, we have.
हमारे पास एक योजना है.
Hint 2, he has.
उसके पास है टिकट.
Hint 3, she has.
उसके पास मेरा पेन है.
Bonus. End with a joke, and I have confidence.
मेरे पास आत्मविश्वास है.
Wrap up. You did great, keep the momentum going. Today you nailed. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have, via.
के पास है.
And.
पास होना.
Thanks for listening. Practice your own sentences today and share them with a friend. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and tools at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.